This is what I wanted to do always. All of us, global citizens, different parts of the world, but every country is having their own culture, legacies, sentiments. If we respect small gestures, it will go in a big way for global good and also global harmony. Apart from all these things, I wanted to reinforce now, India started economic reforms in 1991. Mid-90s, IT revolution has come, first mover advantage taken by Indians. Third one, we are having an advantage of demographic dividend. This advantage will be there another 25 to 30 years. All countries are facing aging problem. Only India is going to have this advantage for another 20-25 years. If you manage population management, years to come, India is to play very extraordinary role globally. I don't want to mention names here, some countries. Yesterday I had a personal delegation. Some countries represented to me, we are having problem of our technical labor. If you can send your people, we will be very happy to receive them, to take them. Even by giving skills, training, everything they wanted to recruit better skills for their countries, salaries, everything. That is the strength of India. And also in India, as on today, very strong leadership. Yesterday I told you, our Honorable Prime Minister is enjoying trust of the nation. People are supporting. Yesterday elections, that is an indication. 202 seats, he has won. All elections is winning. In India, so many countries we are watching, there are problems of leadership. India is having stable leadership and very, very progressive leadership. That is the biggest asset for India. It is going to help us for sustainable economic development. This is where we are preparing Vision Vikasit Bharat 2047. As on today, we are in 4th place. Next year, we are going to reach 3rd place. By 2038, many participants are here. You can remember, we will be number 2. 2047, unstoppable, India will be number 1. That is going to happen. What we are not saying proudly, India is having advantages. We have to go competition with other countries also. All of us has to work for the betterment of the people by having proper vision and also in executing all these things. Andhra Pradesh, we are having a very ambitious plan. 2.4 trillion US economy by 2047. Swarna Andhra Pradesh is our goal. Golden Andhra Pradesh is our goal.